hello friends, I'm Muskan Yadav. First of all, I want to say there is a noise you're hearing a bit. Please ignore it because I really don't have my mic right now. It has damage, and because of pandemic, I can't go any shopkeeper. It is completely stopped here, lockdown going on. Okay, so right now I want to tell something which is my point related to English, related to beginners who are completely beginners and who really want to improve their English language, and they have installed many applications. What I have observed about those persons, so I feel I will share my points so you might can follow, you might can try, you might can better on that, like especially using that platform, how you can use exactly. This is for a beginner only. I'm not saying those person who really good at English, who really know proper English, they only want to interact for a fun or time pass. For those person it's fine, they can do whatever they want. But only for those who really beginners and who are really very interested to just focus in improving themselves. Some of the beginners I have observed, and he used that platform and he directly asked that can you teach me, or can you give me your number, or can you tell me how to improve or something else. So for them I just simply wanna tell, whatever person with whom you communicate with the strangers, so what is they do, they directly disconnect your call because you directly want this only. It's fine, asking is nothing is wrong on it for asking someone any kind of application. That is fine, it's very great that you have that you want. But basic stuff, basic word, basic information, what you gonna ask with the strangers, that you can write down in your copy. You may write down that, okay, where are you from, what do you do, what's your hobbies, what do you like in your free time, and like some interesting question more that you can ask. Then you can observe what he reply, what's his question, what his opinion about something. To install that platform, please write down some questions and then you're ready to ask someone. Like, I'm not saying directly ask line by line, okay, where are you from, what to do, what's your hobby, either he replied or not. That is not a good way. But like suppose, where are you from? Then you listen to them. Okay, he's from there. Okay, next question I'm gonna ask. Or I have to reply. Whatever he will ask, so I have to prepare. At least that question I have to reply this answer. And one more thing, which is I have spoken again and again, same question, same thing. Like many times I have spoken that line, I guess, that please don't depend someone. I have mostly heard who's completely beginner or any other speaker who really want to learn something with someone, so directly ask number, please give me number, then I can learn something from you. Please teach me right now, then I can learn something from that. There is no need to depend someone. I really want everything in your hand. What you really want to speak out, you have to I think we have to do ourselves only. We can learn something only, it's in our own hand. Like we can't depend someone that, okay, that guy or girl, they will only teach me, then only I can learn. That is not a good way to just define like that. That's why I have told you, may write down somewhere. It's very easy for those person who really stuck in between, who really hesitate and stammer, a lot of issues while speaking. So for them it's very easy work they can do. Very short tips I give for especially those who use those kind of application for especially learning purpose. They can utilize while written a lot of content, lot of topics, what I have to ask, what I have to discuss, what a partner or a stranger, they really interested with it. So that is a good way to utilize that time also. Both are to utilize their time. Either a guy or the person who is calling you and the second person is also utilize their time. Yeah, it's quite informative question he is asking. Okay, So by that you both are learn from each other, both are learn something new from each other. That is really very nice, and that conversation is quite interesting. I'm not saying a lot of you people you might confuse which application is really suitable for us. There is no what's my opinion. I didn't say I didn't use any platform. Of course I have used. I use English Talk app, Tapri app, Hello app, and like conversation app and a speaker app. Those kind of application I have interacted. Like I got to know a lot of way people what they really ask, what they really discuss, what they really have. I got to know more thing by others. So like there I got to know what they really interested, what they really want to do, and how they learn, what they exactly do. So everything I have interacted, then I got to know exactly about them. So what's my opinion that whenever you use any platform, I'm not saying there is something wrong every application is equal for me. Means for me it's all are equal. Either you use English Talk or Be Enraged or any platform. Okay, every app are quite equal, but yeah, the thing is that it's all up to in our hand how we utilize our time. If I also use any platform, they also raise like a topic, they also discuss in different way, so it is very helpful for each and everyone. They also learn something. It can be anything. I'm not saying only discuss related to your personal or something boring stuff. You may start something else, but you may write down some different content, different topic, and different vocabulary. You may ask each other different vocabulary. So it would be very fine and informative for everybody. They can learn something from each other. Okay, so that's how I want. Whenever you use those platforms, please utilize and please write down some question, especially for a beginners, and please don't depend any single one, because if you depend someone, so you can't learn something. You should feel that okay, everybody learner and everybody want to learn. Okay, and I really want all the users who really feel uncomfortable, or you really want to improve yourself at home, you may install without hesitate. If you feel there is confusion, so you may write down some question what you're gonna ask with the strangers, then accordingly utilize your time for learning from others. Without speaking, you can't speak any single line. Okay, and of course you do not need to worry also who will laugh upon you, because it's very normal. Who interests, they can try, they can write down interesting topic and question, and that would be much interesting for every user, not for me only. I use whenever I get time, but I can't say for me only. I want everyone, they should utilize anyhow any kinds of platform. Doesn't matter what is that. It could be anything. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and okay, bye. Jai Shri Ram.